Hello guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how do we load data from SQL Server using data connections. So those who do not know, in Spotfire we can load data from database using two different things. One is data connection and another one is information link, and in this video we are going to see how do we load data from database using data connections. We will be using SQL Server, right? So this is my SQL server. I'll be loading data from AdventureWorks. So to do this, I will go to Spotfire. On the left side, I'll click on the plus icon, search for my database connector. In my case, it is Microsoft SQL Server. So I'll scroll down and then click on Microsoft SQL Server. I'll say new connection and I'll enter my server details. It could be complete server name or combination of host name and port number or combination of IP and port number. Then you select your authentication mechanism. In my case, I'm selecting SQL Server authentication, but it can change based upon your organization, and I'll put my credential. So once I put my credentials, I will have to trust the server because mine is a local server which is not secured. So I have to trust it manually and then connect. So once I connect, I will see list of all the database that are available in my database server for the given user. Okay, I'll select this database, click OK, and in the new window, I will see list of all the objects grouped by schema. So this will include all the views, tables, and stored procedures. Stored procedure will be marked as SP, and views and tables will be just table symbol. In our case, we want to load data for the product table, which is in the production schema. So I can just minimize others, look for my product table, and here once I add my table to the query, I can see all the columns that are available in that table, and I can choose which column I want to bring or I want to remove from the query. So for example, I don't want modified date or row GUID, so I'll remove them or unselect them and click OK. Here I will select import data and click OK. So once I click OK, the data is loaded here. You can see 504 rows are loaded. If you want to see the data, we can click on the table visualization or any other visualization and then see the data. It is as simple as this to load data from database using data connectors in Spotfire. In future videos, we'll talk more about how we can write custom queries in the data connection or what are the other options that we have. But for now, give it a try and let me know if you have any queries in the comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out the coming videos. Till then, thank you for watching and bye bye.